What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the first edition of Flyby Sports at Home. I'm Anthony Mazzata.
And I'm Tyler Roya. Today we have two special contestants, my father and Anthony's father, and we're going to give them a big L on H.O.R.S.E today.
They don't know what's coming for them. They're getting kind of old, and let's hope you guys can enjoy the action of us cooking them.
Let's get to it.
The game didn't start the way Tyler and I had planned it to go. We expected to come out firing from the gates and absolutely destroy them. However, as you can tell, we all were cold. The first 5 shots were all missed, and then finally, good old Dave Mazzata decides to get them on the board first. Thankfully, I was able to get a nice deep 3 to go in and give them a letter, but then I tried to be fancy.
Alright, nice shot. H for us.
Let's go, Ty.
Well done, well done.
Hey.
We'll go backward again. Oh, just being nice to my
I tried to call all net on a deep 3, and it hit rim. And from there on, it just wasn't our day. Overall, the game was not nearly what we expected.
Good shot, dog.
Dave and Rob definitely are more experienced than us, and you could tell by the types of shots they were hitting. Me and Tyler were both cold all game. We would get shots here and there to go, and eventually it got pretty bad. We were losing by a few letters that we tried to expand our talent range, and Mr. Tyler Roya thought it would be a good idea to do a blindfolded shot, and needless to say, it did not go as planned. However, that wasn't the worst fail of the day. We have the incredible Dave Mazzata trying to do the most acrobatic layup he's ever done, and
You make that, Dave.
I'll let you see what happened.
You got this.
You stretched before. You should be good.
Good stretch.
That's an H.
Alright, there's an H.
No, you're done.
We got a stretch. H.O.R.S.E.
Eventually, it came down to a nice, simple bank shot from the right corner by Mr. Roya, and unfortunately, just like most of our other shots, we couldn't get it to go.
Once again, age, talent, experience wins over youth. You gonna have to publish this?
It's gonna be
Immaturity.
The shots didn't fall today.
Now you lost to the high school basketball player I can see, but
You know, they wanted to put it up to 10. We were like, let's stay at 8.
I've been practicing at 8 all week, so it was disadvantage for me to go to 10, but I dealt with I adapted to the conditions and worked out all right. A shooter is a shooter no matter what the height of the rim is. Basketball is 10 feet, right? That's the game of basketball. Watch the Michael Jordan special, it's 10 feet.
They just didn't want us to dunk. You know, we're so athletic. They're old. Their knees are gonna give out. They just.
Told you we're just better shooters.
All right. Well,
Thank
that's
you.
fair. You guys won, fair and square. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. I'm Anthony Mazzata.
I'm Tyler Roya. Thanks for Mazzy's dad and my dad for coming out. And we had a lot of fun.
Hope you guys are staying safe at home.